They're big boy jumps. He's clearing them though. Oh. Wow. So, greetings peoples, folks, and space aliens. Quickly here, I'm at the grand opening. It's actually already open. They opened it early. So, and this is the way to go apparently. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. There's some jumps all over in here. Holy buckets. It's a paradise. Literally. Holy bananas. Is this an exit or an entrance? So where does this start? They got wooden features like, holy cow. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I'm going way back here because I do not know. So they got drops. No signage. Which way? Am I going the right way? Do you even know? Probably not.
No. You got it. Turn around.
Okay. Blue, black. Okay. Oh, that was a drop. Not too bad though. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that was easy. Step down. Whoa! Holy bananas, that's a jump. Oh, holy crap, I'm clearing the crap out of them. Wow! Oh, okay. I'm not really sure. I'm just coasting. Holy cow, these are jumps. Wow. Woo. That is a jump line. Okay, I'm worn out now. There's a huge drop. Wow. Hey. You all good? No, I was watching you do that drop. Oh. It looked pretty easy.
Easy peasy, right? It's way bigger looking than it is.
Well, I just did the first jump line and I'm like, holy crap.
In these next videos, you'll see me checking out the features before I ride them. They were actually very intimidating, like these guys said here, and I just needed to ride them. They were actually not that bad.
So that's the upper thing you can watch from here. People doing stuff. That upper drop doesn't look too bad. Go check it out. I'm gonna go get my full face. I don't know if I'm gonna do. Wow, yeah, that's not bad at all. That's like super easy. Wow. On a day when, oh my, look at this. Okay. So this is the thing I went over. Okay. Yeah, these... They're big boy jumps. He's clearing them though. Oh. Wow. I sit here and watch people all day long. Yeah, he got bucked. He's getting bucked. High school students. So you can actually, I want to try this one. Wow, that's a berm. I'm just doing the easy drops today, or this time. Wow, I get a little more speed, I could have cleared that. Okay, here's the big drop. Oh, wow, that little drop is a big drop. Holy crap. I don't know if I want to do the big one. Oh, bucket.
I'll let you keep going. I got stuff.
I am probably going to be doing the same thing in about a minute here.
As the evening wore on, more and more people showed up, and the excitement grew. The crowd got pretty crazy. Over 200 people there today. And this place, if anything else, was going to go down in legacy of mountain biking for sure. I plan to make a trip back up here very soon, so I didn't get a chance to really do much, other than ride some of the other trails, which you need to check out. They're pretty sweet. See you next time.
Is there another trail underneath that though? Is there another trail like
The original trail goes underneath it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, getting a little bit of air. Wow. I'm slowing down a little bit because, holy crap.